Okay, quick question. If I walk into a restaurant in English, what do I even say?
Good question. That's exactly what makes people nervous.
Right. I don't want to just stand there awkwardly.
Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say, from walking in to paying the check. Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak Anglo, your go-to channel for learning English in fun ways. I'm Kendall.
And I'm Riley.
Today's lesson is all about English at a restaurant.
From ordering food to asking for the check, we've got you covered.
And if you enjoy practical, real-life English lessons like this, make sure to subscribe and join us every week.
Let's get started. Okay, we're at the entrance at the restaurant. What should I say first, Kendall?
First, smile. Then greet the host or waiter. You can say, hello, or hi.
Hello. Easy enough.
Great. Next, tell them how many people are in your group. For example, could I get a table for two, please?
Ah, I see. So if it's just me, I say, could I get a table for one, please?
Exactly. And if you have more friends, just change the number. A table for three, please. Or a table for four, please.
Got it. That's simple.
Also, don't forget your smile. It makes a big difference.
Right. A smile is universal. I like that tip.
Perfect. Now you're ready to walk in. Hello, could I get a table for one, please?
Hello. Could I get a table for one, please?
Great. The host might smile and say, right this way, please, or follow me to your table. Then just follow them to your table.
That's it? So simple.
Exactly. And that's the first step of your restaurant adventure.
Okay, we're finally at our table. What's the first thing I should do, Kendall?
The first thing you usually want is the menu. It shows all the food and drinks you can order.
Right. How do I ask politely?
You can say, may I see the menu, please? Using please is very important. Or if you want to sound extra curious, I'd love to see what's on the menu, please.
Oh, I like that. I'd love to see what's on the menu, please. Sounds friendly.
Perfect. Politeness and curiosity. It's a great combo. Now, when you open the menu, you'll see sections: starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Starters, that's the small dishes, right? Like soup or a salad?
Exactly. Starters are usually eaten first. They're smaller than the main dish.
Ah, I see. And the main course?
The main course is your big dish: chicken, fish, pasta, or even a burger.
Yum. And dessert?
Dessert is the sweet food you eat at the end. Cake, ice cream, fruit, anything sweet.
Got it. And drinks?
Drinks are also important. Water, juice, soda, anything you like to drink with your meal.
Perfect. I think I know all the words now.
Great. Here's a tip. Always look at the menu carefully. Decide what you want before the waiter comes.
That makes sense. I don't want to be surprised when the waiter asks.
Exactly. And don't worry if you don't know a word. Just point or ask politely. What is this? People are usually happy to explain.
Okay, I feel ready. Menu in hand, I can do this.
That's the spirit. Next, we'll learn how to order your food politely.
All right, the waiter's here. Kendall, what should I say first?
Usually they'll ask, are you ready to order?
And I can say,
Try, yes, I'm ready. Or, yes, please. If you need a little more time, say, just a minute, please.
got it. I'm ready. Let's see. I'll start with a small garden salad, please.
Excellent choice. And for your main dish?
I think I'll go with the grilled chicken with veggies, please.
Sounds delicious. And something to drink?
A glass of lemonade, please.
Perfect. One salad, one grilled chicken, and one lemonade. Waiters usually repeat your order to double check.
And I just say,
Yes, that's correct. Thank you. Politeness goes a long way.
easy, short, polite, and clear.
Exactly. And here's a tip. When the waiter repeats your order, listen carefully. It's your chance to make small corrections politely.
Like if I accidentally said grilled fish instead of chicken?
Exactly. You can just smile and say, oh, sorry, I meant grilled chicken, please.
Got it. Mistakes happen, but politely is key.
Right. And here's another tip. If you want to ask a question about the menu, try, "What is this dish?" or "What do you recommend?"
Oh, that's helpful. I can ask about the sauce or something I don't know.
Exactly. Most waiters are happy to explain. It's part of the experience.
And I guess this is my chance to learn fancy food words without looking silly.
Totally. And remember, keep your phrases polite, smile, and enjoy the conversation.
Okay, got it. Polite, confident, and fun. I can do that.
Perfect. And don't rush. Take your time deciding and enjoy your meal.
Good advice. Starters first, then main, then dessert, right?
Always. And if you need anything extra during the meal, water, bread, sauce, just politely say, "Could I have some more water, please?" Or, "Could we get some more bread, please?"
That makes everything much easier.
Absolutely. Ordering food can be simple and fun. It's all about confidence, manners, and a little enjoyment.
All right, I'm ready for my delicious meal. Wow, the food is here. Kendall, what do I say first?
The waiter usually says, "Enjoy your meal," and you simply respond with, "Thank you."
Okay, thank you. Simple enough.
Correct. Politeness is always appreciated.
And what if I want something different to drink?
Easy. Just say, "Excuse me, could I get something else to drink, please?" Or be specific. "Could I have a lemonade instead?" "Could I switch to iced tea, please?" Or, "Could I have another soda or coffee, please?"
Oh, so I can actually change my drink if I want?
Absolutely.
That's very simple. Polite and friendly. I like it.
And remember, don't shout across the table. Just a gentle, polite request works every time.
Okay, got it. Gentle and polite. Also, should I compliment the food?
Of course. If you like it, say, "This is delicious." Or, "Everything tastes amazing."
Oh, I'll definitely say that about the grilled chicken. It looks so good.
And that's another tip for learners. Even short phrases make a big difference. Delicious, yum, or so tasty all work.
Easy enough. Polite, short, friendly, and I get to enjoy my meal too.
Exactly. Remember, the meal is part of the learning experience. Watch, listen, speak, and have fun.
And maybe try not to eat too fast or I'll be too full for dessert.
Good point. Pace yourself, enjoy each bite, and don't forget, dessert is coming.
Wow, I'm almost full, but dessert sounds amazing. Kendall, what do I say if the waiter brings a dessert menu?
You can respond politely with, "Yes, please."
Okay, easy. Yes, please. I can do that.
Perfect. Then when you're ready to order, just say, "Could I try the chocolate mousse, please?" Or whatever dessert you love.
Oh, chocolate mousse. Yum. Or maybe a fruit tart or ice cream?
Exactly. Pick whatever makes you happy. And if you're unsure about a dessert, just ask, "What is this?" Most servers will happily explain.
So I could learn new dessert words without looking silly?
Totally. You can even ask for a recommendation. What do you recommend?
Nice. I like the sound of that. Polite, friendly, and maybe I'll discover a new favorite.
That's the spirit. And when the dessert arrives, don't forget the polite response, "Thank you."
Got it. Thank you. Short, sweet, like the dessert.
Exactly. And if you really enjoy it, say, "This is delicious," or "Wow, so good."
Okay, I might need to say that a few times. Chocolate mousse, here I come.
Perfect.
I think dessert might be my favorite part of learning English and eating.
I don't blame you.
Whew, I'm full. Kendall, how do I ask to pay?
Easy. You just ask for the check. Say, "Check, please."
Check, please. Got it.
Perfect. Then hand over your card or cash and say, "Here you go."
Here you go. Short, polite. I like it.
And when you get your card, change, or receipt back, just add, "Thank you so much." "Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day."
Politeness all the way to the exit.
And don't forget to double check your table, napkins, phone, wallet.
Definitely don't leave my lemonade behind.
You can't. One more tip for our viewers. In some other countries like the UK, people don't say check, they say bill. Just a small difference to keep in mind.
Ah, got it. So here it's check. Elsewhere, it could be bill. Easy to remember.
Yep, the main phrases to know: check please, here you go, thank you, have a wonderful day, or great day.
Short, polite, friendly. Perfect. And maybe a happy tummy helps too.
Totally. Now you're ready to order, eat, enjoy dessert, pay, and leave, all in English.
Perfect. I feel ready for any restaurant adventure. All right, let's practice everything we learned.
Yes, this time we'll do a quick role play from start to finish.
I'll be the customer.
And I'll be the waiter. Let's go. Hello, welcome.
Hi, a table for one, please?
Of course, right this way. Here's your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Take your time. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'll have the grilled salmon with rice, please.
Great choice. And something to drink?
Sparkling water, please.
Perfect. I'll be right back with your order. Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
How is everything?
Everything is delicious. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Can I bring you anything else?
No, I'm good. Thanks. Oh, check, please.
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here you go.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
And that's it.
See? Simple, polite, and natural.
If you can do this role play, you can handle a real restaurant.
Confidence plus polite phrases equals success.
Exactly.
See? That wasn't scary at all.
Not at all. Restaurants are really just about a few simple phrases.
Exactly. Can I have, I'll have, excuse me, and of course, thank you.
That's it. Short, polite, and confident.
And if you're a beginner, don't worry. You absolutely can do this.
The best way to improve? Practice. Grab a friend, switch roles. One waiter, one customer. It really helps.
And don't forget to smile. That works in every language.
100%. Politeness and a smile go a long way anywhere in the world.
Okay, serious question. What's your favorite restaurant meal?
Ooh, probably steak with mashed potatoes. Classic.
Nice. I'm going with tacos. Always tacos.
Now I'm hungry again.
Same. We should stop filming and go eat.
Probably a good idea.
Thanks so much for practicing with us today.
Keep practicing your English.
And enjoy your next restaurant experience with confidence.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what's your favorite dish.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!